So let me start formally. Good morning. So welcome to join the course, Introduction to Computer Networks. I am Huei-Wen Ferng. So here we have the information about me. Name in Chinese, I think you understand this, and Huei-Wen Ferng. And about office, not this building, it's T4 building. And the email, I prefer you to use this email at CSIE. This one, sometimes I may ask you to send me the messages through email. You can use email. And if you want to use email from Moodle, it's another email, but that's okay. You still can reach me. And line ID, right now I think you finish it, so I skip it. If in the future you want to reconnect to me, you can use this line ID. And website, for the first one, it's just a website about me, so if you want to skip it, sure. And sometimes we may have some messages sent from Moodle, because it is a formal one, so I will send a message to send message from Moodle. So of course you can use Moodle and find our course, and then you can have the corresponding resources. For example, I may put the PPT slides to Moodle. You can check it. If you don't like it, maybe next time I can distribute the PPT slides to our line group as well. I will try to do, and which way will be the best way, I will try to tune to the best way. And as for office hours, of course, you can let me have the message individually, and so that I can know when I will be available, and so that you can use the arranged time slot to come to my office. So here I have the formal office hour for our course is Tuesday 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. If you want to find me, you can try to go to my office during that time. But sometimes I think if you want to make sure, of course, I expect you to let me have the appointment first, and so that we can make sure when to come to my office, and so that you can find me. Is it okay? Well, up to now, about me, any questions? And also, if currently about the path of lecturing, everything's okay? Or maybe you need to ask me to slow down? For you, of course, it's okay. For local students, is it okay? I assume everything's okay because it's trivial. You just check the information about me. And I don't know, we have the YouTube channel. The purpose of the YouTube channel is we have the recorded videos for example, for the lecturing today. I will upload to YouTube, but we will try to slice it to 5 to maybe 15 minutes, and so that it will be easier for you to check the individual video chunks. So we have the video channel, and actually we have TAs, right? I have TA join the line group already. At least we have one. Maybe later I ask tutor to ask the other one to join. Maybe try to ask the other one to join the line group, so that we have two possibilities. And same, if you want to find the tutor to have something to discuss, you can contact at least this TA. As for the others, actually, he is responsible for videos. Perhaps if you have some question regarding video, you can contact him. But normally you don't think so, so you just have the information there. And this tutor, Kevin will respond possibly. Well, that's it. So we have the information about me, And also we have some connection channels. And next one, let us start the formal description about the course. We have the course of learning objectives here. I think you understand it's ICN, Introduction to Computer Networks. And this one, we want to familiarize you with the corresponding concepts, techniques, and systems, of course, for computer networks. And we have the following objectives. First of all, the first one, identify. Actually, identify here, it should be know the concept, know the techniques, and know the system of computer networks. But why we need to use the specific verb, identify, because we have to have the specific one so that you can measure the level of learning. So that's why we have the specific term, identify. And next one, we can allow you to apply and multiply them to a specific field. So that says if you know the techniques, concepts, and system, is it possible to apply them to the other fields or maybe to the corresponding fields? Yes, the answer is yes. So this is the first objective. And second one, actually, we have the term assess. Assess says you need to know how to maybe equivalent to evaluate. So evaluate the system through evaluation. So this is the second objective. But next one, we use evaluate directly. Sometimes we have the mathematical approach, and you can use the mathematical approach to evaluate the system performance. And finally, for computer networking, of course, you are asked to have the knowledge to build a circuit programming program. In chapter 2, we have these, and in our final project, we ask you to do so. And later we can let you know circuit programming, how we have some possible activity to have the circuit programming.